Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Flamin here, and welcome back to another vlog. Today, I am going to be unboxing, well, not unboxing, but unboxing the Mcjuggernuggets Psycho Family poster. See, there it is, right there. So yeah, let's get this done unboxed. Alright, let's see here. Oh, what's that there? I see a poster. Family Lives, Murder, and YouTube. Let's move the box out of the way so you don't see my address. Very excited. Now the unveiling of the Psycho Family poster. I hope I got the signed one. Because as soon as he announced on his YouTube video that he was going to be signing these posters, I ordered immediately. So I hope I got the signed one. Let's just unveil it and see what it is. Oh, the Psycho Dad. There's Jesse. Ooh, I got back up for this poster. Here we go. We got a note. First off, we got a note. I'm gonna read it off. See. Oh, okay. Interesting. It's just a little thank you. There it is, the poster. Now, unveil these corners. Ooh. Now the moment of truth. Here we go. Wow. That's just a nice shot right there. Wow. But yeah, that is autographed. There is his mama. Psycho mom. Psycho kid. Psycho brother. No. But wow, this is awesome. Love the Psycho series so much. The documentary was amazing. The real story of a fake family. Wow. Yeah, it's autographed. Oh my gosh, it's signed. Wow. Oh, there it is, guys. The Psycho Family poster. Now, let me frame this thing and we'll really see how it looks. Well, alright guys, there you have it. The Psycho Family poster up to the Psycho series poster. That's my Mcjuggernuggets wall. Wow. Just look at it again. This time it's framed. Oh, it looks so nice. Right next to the Psycho series. Wow. That's a nice shot there. Just don't got the glare. Just got that glare, but dang. Well, there you have it, guys. That was me unboxing the Psycho Family poster. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and stuff more to it in the description down below. And hopefully Jesse sees this video. That'd be awesome too. That's asking for too much though. So, until next time though, it's been your boy Flamin signing out. Peace.